Welcome to Real Life Wednesday. Have you ever noticed how the grocery store is designed like a trap? The stuff that supports your health is usually on the outside edges like meat, dairy, eggs, and produce. But those middle aisles, that's where the food manufacturers get you. Today, let's talk about how to survive the middle aisles without derailing your low-carb lifestyle. So the middle aisles are filled with ultra-processed foods, boxes, bags, and bars that scream healthy, but often hide sugar, seed oils, and carbs you don't need. Words like low-fat, heart-healthy, or even keto-friendly are marketing terms, but not health guarantees. Now, don't get me wrong, you will need the middle aisles for some essentials, things like coffee, tea, spices, olive oil, canned tuna, frozen veggies. The key is knowing the difference between what helps your health and what sabotages it. So here's today's nugget. A good rule of thumb. If your grandmother wouldn't recognize it as food, you probably don't need it in your cart. Real food doesn't usually come with a health claim on the box. It is the health claim. So I used to load my cart pre-keto with granola bars, whole grain crackers, oatmeal, things I was thinking I was making a smart choice or choices. But once I swapped that for whole foods from the perimeter of the store, my blood sugar and my insulin resistance improved, my blood pressure came down, and my waist shrank. And I finally felt full after meals, and I didn't have all that food noise. That wasn't an accident. It was food quality over food marketing. So the next time you're shopping, stick mostly to the perimeter and go to the middle aisles with a plan. And if you want a ready-made list of what to go buy, my ebook, Keto Made Simple, gives you all the tools you'll need to get started. And for those who need a reset, it's also a great choice. I'm Dr. Rose, the Primal Professor, and this has been your Daily Spoonful, small bites of health wisdom to help you thrive. I'll see you in the next video.